Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be creating this makeup look using these products that I ordered from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale that was happening recently. So I'm not gonna say that I used all the products, but most of the products I tried to use. So starting off with a very clean face, I'm feeling super dry on my skin, so I'm gonna be using a moisturizer. So starting off with the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. I don't exactly remember that I mentioned about it in my previous videos, but this is a really good moisturizer, and I really love it because it's so light and you won't feel greasy on your skin like the rest of the winter moisturizers. So I highly recommend this moisturizer, and I'm also applying some lip balm on my lips. And for foundation I'm taking this Lakme 925 Perfect Cover foundation, as it was a little bit lighter for my skin tone. So I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in shade 330 toffee shade, and I'm gonna mix this two shade and I'm just applying it on my face using a damp beauty blender. So it's kind of a small tip that if you're not able to find your perfect skin tone match foundation, or you ordered by mistake a lighter foundation which doesn't match your skin tone, so you can go with a darker shade foundation and mix both of them and apply it on your face, and vice versa. That's what I'm doing here. I just mixed both the foundation and now I'm just dabbing it all over my face. Next, for the concealer, I'm taking this Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer in shade medium. I don't know where I kept my illegal concealers. I couldn't find it, so I'm just using this Maybelline concealer and I'm just applying it under my eyes, and then using a damp beauty blender I'm just blending it all. Next, I'm gonna be using this Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup Concealer in shade Skin Beige, and I'm applying it on my eyelid just to lighten up the pigmentation going on all over my eyelid. And also I'm just using it under my eyes and also on my T-zone area just to highlight it a little bit more. And then I'm using my damp beauty blender to blend it well. Next, to set the concealer, I'm taking this Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. So this is what I have been doing recently. I'm just taking the loose powder with the help of the damp beauty blender and just setting it all, just dabbing it very lightly on my skin. And also not forgetting my eyelid. Next, for the eyebrows, I'm taking this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. So I haven't had opened it yet. So I'm gonna be taking this side of the pencil and I'm just brushing my eyebrows to settle the hairs. And next I'm taking this pencil and I'm just giving a very light strokes. I'm filling in my brows. And I really loved this eyebrow pencil because I was barely touching it. It was gliding so smoothly and so pigmented. I really loved this eyebrow pencil and I would highly recommend this. So here I'm just filling in my eyebrows and then taking the other side of the pencil, I'm just brushing it all so that it looks natural. Next for the eyeshadow, I'm taking this LA Colors with 16 colors eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna be using this lighter shade and I'm just applying it all over my eyelid. Next I'm gonna be using this shade right here and I'm applying it just above my crease and I'm just blending it all, taking it all the way in. So next I'm gonna be taking this light brown shade right here and I'm just applying it on my crease and I'm just blending it really well. So what I'm doing here is I'm just blending it all, taking it all the way towards my outer corner of my upper lash line. It's kind of, I'm making a V shape and I'm just blending it all well. Now taking this darker brown shade right here, I'm just deepening up the brown shade that I applied and I'm applying it on the crease and blending it all the way down to the outer corner of my upper lash line. And I'm just trying to blend it all Next for the liner, I'm taking this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte eyeliner and I'm just drawing a winged eyeliner. I was like so scared while applying this liquid eyeliner because I'm a like gel eyeliner person, so I never go for liquid eyeliners ever because I can't apply it. I don't know how so many girls apply liquid eyeliners so precisely. Like, hats off to those girls who go for liquid eyeliners, but I thought I'll just I'll just end up messing it up and I'll have to remove all the eye makeup and then reapply it. But the eye makeup is not that, you know, complicated, but still I thought I'll just mess that up. But thankfully I did it and I was so happy. I just went so slow while applying this liquid eyeliner. Next, for my lashes, I'm gonna be using this Rimmel Volume Lash Scandalize mascara, and I'm just applying it on my upper lashes. Next, I'm taking this brown shade and I'm applying it on my lower lash line. And then I'm applying the mascara on my lower lashes. Next, to bronze up my face, I'm taking this L'Oreal Paris Glam Duo Bronzer and blending it well into my hairlines. Next, moving on to the blush, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution blush in shade Peach and Cream, and I'm just applying it on my cheekbones and slightly on the apples of my cheeks. Now for the highlighter, I'm taking this Makeup Obsession highlighter and I'm just applying it on the high points of my face. And taking a pencil brush, I'm applying the highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes, on the tip of my nose, and also on the Cupid's bow. And as well as on my brow bone. Now for the lips, I'm taking this L'Oreal Paris Luxe Leather by Colorish, and I loved the packaging, and this is what the shade looks like. So before that, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner. All the details will be mentioned in the description box below, so do check that out for the details about the shade. It wasn't really needed to be applied in this look, but I just applied it just to show you all. So it's a very beautiful nude shade. So I'm just aligning my lips, slightly overlining my lips. So for the beginners, I would highly recommend you better go with a lip liner first before applying lipstick, so that you don't end up making it look messed up. So next, I'm going with the L'Oreal Paris lipstick and I'm just applying it on my lips. Next, for the lashes, I'm taking this Nykaa false lashes in Just Enough Drama, and this is how it looks. So it comes with the lash glue, but I'm gonna be using this Miss Claire lash glue, and I'm just applying the lash glue on the lash pen. and I'm just letting it dry for a few seconds because it dries really fast. So and then I'm just applying it on my eyelid, like really close to the lash line, and pressing the lash band really close to the lash line, and I'm just pressing both the lashes close together so that it looks all one. And it's done. Next, I'm taking this metallic lipstick from the Wet n Wild, and I'm just applying it on the center of my lips just to give it metallic effect. And I really loved this lipstick. I loved the way the look turned out, and I love this lip shade, and I just loved it. Lastly, to give it a finish touch, I'm just using this Wet n Wild makeup fixer, and I'm just spraying it all over my face to set my makeup, and this is it. I really loved how this makeup look turned out, and I'm really happy that we reached 100 subscribers. And thank you each one of you who subscribed to my channel and liked my video, watched my video and loved me. And I love you all. Thank you all for supporting me and loving my videos so much. Hope you loved watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification on every time I upload a video. See you in my next video. Bye.